I have a story to tell you about a client that I've been working with for roughly 4.5 years. And we had a senior management meeting about 2.5 years ago. And they were all pretty down on themselves. They were having a hard time hiring people. They were playing victim to the fact that they couldn't get good employees. They said that nobody wanted to work. No one was hard workers. It was a different culture. This new group of people have a different work ethic, right? It was a lot of complaining. It was a lot of whining. It was a lot of victim. And so as we started to talk about this is probably about the fifth or sixth client that had been telling me the same type of story. I can't get people to come in. I can't retain people. And so we started to ask ourselves, well, why is that? Why is our employee value proposition not working? Why are people not knocking down our door to come and work at our organization? What are we missing? What are we not providing them? And the initial response I was getting back was, we're not paying them enough. We need to pay them more money. Got to give them $2 more an hour. And I said, I don't think that's it. I don't think that's the reason that they're not coming to work for us. Maybe we're not giving them enough autonomy. Maybe we're not giving enough responsibility to them. Maybe we're just not treating them the right way. Maybe we're micromanaging too much. So we changed our philosophy. We revamped the entire way that we search for people, that we hire people, that we onboard people, and that we retain people. And now guess what? They got people knocking on their door nonstop wanting to work for that organization. So is it the magic bullet? Maybe. But if you just put a little focus and time into that, we can find ways to solve the problems that you think are the most difficult when perhaps they are not.